guys. Nagluto lagi ko sa among panihapon karon ba. Awa ni among panihapon. Steak, kimchi fried rice, o sunny side up egg. Lami man gud ang kimchi fried rice kung naa siya sunny side up nga egg, guys. Mo ni ang dinner sa akong pana. With complement sa iyahang vegetable salad, which is lettuce, beetroot, tomatoes, and cucumber relish. That's his dinner. And this is one for my friend. He got kimchi fried rice, vegetable salad, sunny side up egg, and chorizo and chicken. And this is mine. So this is two different, because my friend doesn't much like of the steak. He doesn't mind, but he doesn't feel in on it. So this is mine, steak and kimchi, sunny side up egg with complement with the salad. This is really yummy and delicious dinner. Bon appetit, petitet, potatit, petitit.